Okay, this is connected vertical arm rolls. Can't remember what this is, let's find out. Oh yeah, this is cool. I like this. So yeah, the arm rolls all connected to each other, and then I'll put in an angel roll as well, just for coolness. So roll, turn, roll, turn, roll, and the angel roll. Bing bang bong. So you do the roll, then you transfer it like you transfer a vertical Steve, and then you do that transfer like you transfer an angel roll, and it goes into an angel roll, and you're done. Do it again. That turn is so pretty. And then angel roll. Chris Bennett's got something to say about this move, and he's coming on right now.
Look at the mix, she's so great! Look at her! The sticking moves! Sticking! Look at the finish! Style! Behind the back. Right. Look at the style.